An incredible moment to watch happened after a rehabilitated chimpanzee showed gratefulness to the team, who cured her upon release back to the wild. Even though this video might look fake, it's completely real and comes from a camera in a submarine 3700 feet underwater in the middle of the ocean, which captured an alien-looking creature. Some theories of what it could be is a vampire squid or a type of jellyfish. It is normal for goalies to kick the ball from their area to the other team's side, but this goalkeeper decides to perform the distribution a little different. Okay, not 100% sure what prompted this, but at a grocery store parking lot what looked like an army of shopping carts started charging towards the lot, and it's funny to see. Since zebra sharks are slow moving, they usually can be easily approached underwater and would not bite unless given a good reason. When a diver was trying to do his work of cleaning up the fish tank, a cuddly zebra shark wouldn't stop asking the diver to pet him. This might seem like an impossible turn of events, but it actually happened. When a robber went to rob a woman by asking her to pull out money from her bank account through an ATM, he noticed that the woman's bank account was actually left empty, so he just decided to give her money back. Back in 1958, it was allowed for an atomic blast to happen 500 feet deep underwater in the Pacific Ocean for testing purposes. And well, as it detonates, millions of gallons of water became instantly vaporized by a sort of sun suddenly forming. And it's really impressive to see how much energy is released from such a small amount of atoms. An incredible tunnel to sea that cost millions of dollars to make is a mountain pass that connects Argentina and Chile together, which is 10,000 feet long, and it kind of looks like a secret facility from the outside. When a Land Rover decided to put a huge speed bump on the road that seems impossible to go through, some cars tried to no avail, and well, then the Range Rover gave it a try, and the reactions of people passing by are hilarious to watch. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my style of commentary on videos. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.